Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Daria. We have with us Kunal, Shah, head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. My first question coming to you is that the dollar index is now moving towards levels of around 91. Do you think this is a signal that this kind of movement is something that could continue?
Yeah, it can continue provided the yields keep moving up and US yields are moving up. So 90 was the level where the dollar was taking a stiff hurdle and it was not going down below 90. And suddenly, when we in last 2 days, what has changed is that the US bond yields have surged from 1.10-year bond yield have surged from 1.15 to yesterday 1.30. So 15 bips yield rise what we saw yesterday, and because of that dollar index strengthened. Because what the rising yield indicates, the rising yield indicates that the growth and the inflation both are going to go up going
Hmm.
forward. Hence we see this kind of uptick coming in. Okay, so dollar index can well very much test 91, 91, 20, but not expecting any major sharp up move from here. If there is a major risk aversion, then it's a different story. But till then, I think we have to be a little conservative.
Right. So, Kunal, if we have to be conservative on this front, uh, how do you think bullion will be impacted? Because clearly, if you go to see, we are seeing some bit of pressure on the back of rise in bond yields. Now, from here on, uh, do you think there could be some bit of more selling pressure?
Yeah. Strong. Yes, there can be a selling pressure in bullion, and gold and silver both are going down continuously. Silver, in spite of the stronger fundamentals, is going down. So gold is going down more as compared to the, if you compare the ratio, silver is not going down to that extent the way gold is going down. The reason is the silver's fundamentals have turned bullish. But right now, I think no fundamentals are working for bullion because the dollar is strengthening and the US bond yield. So
Hmm.
today we have to see. I think yesterday's low for gold, I think 46,000 on COMEX, $1770 should hold, and for silver, I think 68,000 level, important level to watch. I would recommend for evening session, a slight bit of pullback in silver, 69,200, 69,300, and gold can bounce back till 46,800 to 850, and from there you can again go short till we see a significant reversal in dollar. So tonight there are speech of different three Federal Reserve members, and the outcome of that will be waited, and we have to see that because what and we have a FOMC minutes also tonight. So very eventful. US inventory will be tomorrow, but I think it's going to be very eventful evening today. So like I said, the levels which I mentioned are good levels to watch out for during intraday.
Right. So, with this now, if you have to look at crude, we did see some bit of a rise that did come in the morning session. However, the gains that we saw on the dollar index has capped the gains on crude. So from here on, what's the kind of movement that could be expected?
Yeah. So for crude, I'm expecting, the prices should really go up because of the cruel winter. US 2 million barrels oil production is halted. So I
Hmm.
posted in group yesterday. I'm bullish on oil for short term, 44.50, 44.60. I will not be surprised by today evening. It's very bullish for crude. Forget about the dollar. Crude is going to go up.
Right. So if crude is going to blow up from here on, what would the strategy be with regards to base metals? Because the entire gamut is traded weak as most of the metals have been trading off the recent highs. You have nickel prices that traded under pressure. We did see inventory build up in LME. Copper and zinc traded in the red, and that's again the impact of a stronger dollar. So, how do you advise to look at the entire base metals basket?
Base metal also looks bullish. 640 copper I will buy. 1355 nickel I will buy. Zinc 227 I will buy because when the growth is picking up, when the inflation is picking up, at that time the bond yields move up. So that is bullish for base metals, and I'm bullish on. entire base metal complex. Copper is looking attractive. If you buy it 640, you will see 648, 649. Nickel, if you buy it 1355, you will see 1370, 1375. Zinc looks strong for upside target of 232 to 234. So all bullish calls for the metals and in evening.
Right. And any near-term support level that you would want to give for gold?
Bhavna is asking, yeah, I'm giving you for gold, like I said, 17 $70 on COMEX is, and that in India should translate into roughly around 46,000 to 45,800. So these are the levels where one should hold. It should hold. Bhavna is asking about zinc and metal, zinc and nickel. Bhavna, zinc looks up. It doesn't look down, and I'm expecting it to go up, and even nickel. Both are looking up.
Right. So I think the queries that have come in have also been answered. Thank you everyone so much for joining in. Thank you, Kunal.